I remember meeting you after class. It was a winter with your frozen teenage lust. And whenever I speak to you, you would not lift your eyes. Oh, the years went by and you got wise. Summertime was the time for breaking up. Granny used to come home, daddy used to get fired. New things would happen to you, but you would not lift your eyes. Oh, as years went by, you got wise. Oh, the years went by, you got wise. You were 2 years and a half younger than me. The youngest of two sisters you will always be. And whenever I took you home, I had to keep out of your parents' sight. Oh, as years went by, I learned to hide. Yes, years went by, I learned to hide. You teenage lovers who think you're something special, and get together one Friday morning and come back home 3 full days later. Your family won't support you, so you ignore them all together. And you won't listen to anybody because you think yours is forever. You do well.
Aquest és el meu.
Aquí esteu.
Però això no és el meu. I el teu tampoc.